All right, y'all, time to release the beast. 4.77 pounds, just over 21, right between 21 and 21 and a quarter inches. Couldn't get his mouth shut because he's got some weird deformity of his jaw, like a bad underbite. Let's get this fish back. Nice one. Ultralight crappie jig. It's either 4 or 6 pound. I think it's 6 pound Mr. Crappie Mono or Fluoro or whatever that Mr. Crappie stuff is. Hoo-wee. That was a fight. That was fun. No net. Good thing I had a big old Steven Tyler mouth for me to grab. Big old handle built in. Nice fish. Check out the YouTube channel, y'all, for more fish like that and a whole bunch of dinks. Have a good one. Later. Fishing's good.